How to disable autosave WhatsApp status and videos when viewed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be seeing how you can easily disable the option to save WhatsApp statuses or videos when they are viewed. Open up WhatsApp first. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from there, what you want to do next is just tap on the three dots at the top right, find settings. From settings menu, go to storage and data, and you can find the auto download settings here. So go ahead and tap on auto download quality. You can select the quality here, and under media auto downloaded, you can select what you want to download when you're on mobile data. Make sure you uncheck everything, tap on OK. Do the same thing when connected to Wi-Fi as well. So for that, you can go ahead and unselect all of this, tap on OK. Once that is done, now your WhatsApp photos, statuses, or videos will no longer be saved to gallery. Now you can go over to individual chats as well. So I'll just head over here, then tap on the chat settings, and then go over to media visibility here. Now you can choose an option to show newly downloaded media from chat to device gallery. Make sure it's selected to no. I've selected it by default on no, so it's good to go. Tap on OK, and that's basically it. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.